What's up, everyone? Jason from ApparelWin. Today, we have our friends, Paloma and Hugo, to have an interview. So, first of all, tell me more about yourself.
My name's Paloma. I live in Australia and I own a clothing brand.
I'm Hugo. I just started a clothing brand. We're here with Jason in Guangzhou.
Actually, this is your second time to come to China. How do you feel? Today is just casual talk. Just be yourself. I know a lot of fashion brands, they start their business and they try to get some expertise how to grow their business. And your brand is really impressive. From each job, 100 pieces to 2,000 pieces to one job. So the growth is really, really big. How do you do that? Today we dig up this. So what made you to set up this brand?
I set up my brand because I wanted to own a business and clothes was a industry that I was interested in.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just fun to do something. I'm very creative.
Your own business. And how about you?
I watched Paloma's journey with her business.
Yes.
And it just gave me inspiration that I could put some of my creativity in something.
Yeah.
So I started in her footsteps. I followed in her footsteps. I've gone with Paloma's approach. I've started building my influencer list, sending out PR. And I've noticed when an influencer posts a video,
Yeah.
I get direct sales.
Yeah.
Which the first time it happened, I was like, no way.
Yeah.
Very insightful.
You do some 3D.
Yeah, I do 3D. I'm a
Yeah.
3D artist, so I do 3D work.
Yeah.
But I've done some 3D for some of my stuff. And it helps me also develop my 3D skills by playing around with new things.
Yeah. Maybe you can combine with the clothing business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because it's AI now, and then, everything's so modern.
But it's also it's very easy with ApparelWin to develop products.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to put what you have in your head into real life.
Yeah. So how do you feel to come to China? No matter the food or the process, we work together. Tell me more about China. Yeah.
I love China. I literally love China. It's so cool. Coming here, everything's crazy. Everything's at your fingertips. You can literally do everything that you've ever wanted. So it's really amazing.
Yeah.
Food's amazing. Some crazy foods. As an Australian, you come here, but it's really fun.
Yeah.
And I love it.
China's a great place. There's so many people. Food's great. I grew up in China, so it's a good way for me to practice my Chinese.
Oh, yeah, you grew up in China.
Yeah.
How many years?
15 years.
15 years. Yeah. So you actually know about how to talk with Chinese.
Exactly. Chinese culture. Yeah. It's great.
It is your second time. Any difference between the first time and the second time? How do you feel now?
First time we were only here for a day, so it was very rushed. And we've been here for 3 days now.
Yeah.
So you can just there's so much to see and so much to do. So this time it's been very nice to be able to get everything done that we want to get done. Yeah, that would be the difference.
So your schedule, how do you spend these 3 days?
Yeah, so we spent 2 full days in the fabric market.
Yeah.
To the shopping mall.
Oh yes, we went to the wholesale shopping mall. The fabric market's amazing. It's this massive, just kilometers and kilometers of different fabrics that you can use.
Yeah.
Truly amazing. And then we went to dinner with Jason, which was fun.
Barbecue.
Made loads of new samples. Yes, we got barbecue, which was so fun to try. And we got loads of new samples developed, which is so exciting.
Yes. Actually, a lot of people come to fabric market. They easy to be lost. How do you go to markets without guidance?
Lost?
Yeah. How do you explore the market?
Oh, I see. You don't. Getting lost is the best part, I think.
Yeah.
You just walk in and then you just wander wherever. You don't have to worry about getting lost. No plan is the best way.
Oh, no plan.
No plan.
2 full days, no plan. But
No,
do you
just
have
go
some
in.
sample go there? Hey, I want to get this. Could you show me?
Yes. So I have all my Pinterest photos up of fabrics I want to find.
Okay.
But I just walk in and when I find a fabric that's on my Pinterest board, I take a photo and I save it.
Okay. Any suggestion for other people who never come to fabric markets?
Make sure you have your Pinterest photos saved of the fabrics that you like because there's so many fabrics.
Yeah.
And then just explore.
Yeah.
Just go for it.
And as you go, you get ideas. So if you see something you like, then bang, on the spot, you're like, oh, I have an idea here.
Yeah. A lot
So
of inspiration.
Rolling inspiration.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. What is your new inspiration after go to fabric market? Do you have any new ideas to
so
develop
much.
New collection.
Skirts, dresses, jackets, more dresses, more tops, more skirts, more dresses, more jackets.
Okay.
All of it, so much.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. It means you get something you like.
Yes.
Yeah. Then next time you can be more prepared.
Yes.
You really focus on the fabric. So I mean organic. So tell me the positioning of your brand. How do you create unique products?
Yes. So I only like to use natural fabric, so cotton, linen, wool, silk, everything natural.
Selling point.
Selling point. My selling point. Love natural fabric, so I only use natural linen, 100% cotton, 100% linen, 100% everything natural. And I think I love pieces that you get to wear again and again. I love simple pieces. I love fashion that you can wash again and again. The quality with ApparelWin is insane. So it's really nice to have you create these pieces that someone can buy and they're never going to go to waste, because you truly can wash them over and over. And
Have you discussed this idea with Hugo before you start?
Yes, for sure. It's like my brand motto are pieces that you can wear again and again, wash again and again, and that's why I like the natural fabrics and the quality that you produce.
You know, the first time I work with you, I have a strong feeling you can be successful. Do you know why? We already work with a lot of fashion brands, and they really struggling. Why? They don't have their positioning of the brand. Yeah, they try to follow someone else. They follow the trend, but when this style popular, they made this, they made the other one, but it made this brand kind of messy, you know, like
so
different.
I have all my products. I never want to stop producing. So when I come out with a product, I want to really, really, really like it. Yeah. Very simple pieces, not trendy, not fabric trendy. Very simple, very natural, and you can just wear it again and again. This skirt, mine. You can wear it as a top. You can layer it as a dress. Yeah, I just like items that aren't trendy and are beautiful and you can wear over and over again. Yeah,
impressive. You always try to develop the product you like. And how do you test whether your customer will buy it?
Yes. I start with 100 pieces normally and I test the market. So I'll come out with a product that I love. If the 100 pieces sells well, then I'll restock it and continue the style. I also will do like a little promo, like I'll post about the product before I order it and just see if people interact with it and whether or not they like it. I also get advice from my friends and my family, but mainly the public advice, because that's the most important.
That's great. How do you do the promotion? Actually, even new brand, when they try to order 100 pieces, it's still with a lot of pressure. You know, different style.
Yes.
Yeah, different style, and they need to hold a lot of stock.
Yes.
How do you do marketing?
Yes, marketing. I do outfit videos. Often I do heavily gifted influencer marketing. So let's say I order 100 pieces, I'll gift maybe 20. Yep. And that gives me market reach. I like stress that influencers is number one. So
yeah, are they all your friends?
No.
So you don't know them?
I reach out to strangers.
Oh, so you talk to them and
online.
Give them the products?
Yeah.
Have you ever calculated each new collection, how many influencers you need to reach to them and do giveaway to them?
I would say 2 or 3 really good influencers.
Oh, 2 or 3? Only 2 or 3?
Only 2 or 3, if they're really good. And then, but I send also I never guaranteed content when you send it out to an influencer. Yeah. So once you send it out, it's put no pressure for them to post is the main thing.
Oh, okay,
it's completely up to them. If your products are beautiful, they'll sell themselves. So
how do you tell this work for your sales? How do you tell? Because before you answer this question, I think maybe you work with 50 influencers and they take a lot.
I do work with over 50 influencers. All you need is one video to blow up in order for your product.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So 2 to 3 influencers that have videos that go really well. But I don't do any other form of marketing. So I don't do paid ads. I don't do anything. I just do organic influencer marketing. And I've never paid for an influencer either.
Yeah, this is very important. Like one brand, they don't need to do ads campaign and all the traffic is organic. That is very important. A lot of brands try to pay a lot of money on ads campaign, but by the end of the day, the ROI is so low, and yours is everything organic. It's very, very important. We just talk about like 100 pieces testing, and let's talk how to scale up. Because I see from 100 to more than 2,000 pieces, one job is very important. How do you scale up the business? Yeah.
Tough question. Yeah. Best way to scale up your business is to know when to take a risk. 2,000 pieces in one order is very risky.
Yeah.
So you just need to look at your data, look at your analytics, see if people are wanting your product, and then you make an educated decision on whether or not you should go for that. Because 2,000 pieces is a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
So you really need to have a good hard think and see whether or not the risk is worth it, because having out-of-pocket costs for 2,000 pieces is a lot before you've sold it.
What kind of data you will check to decide whether have a bigger quantity?
Yes, I sell all my products through Shopify, and Shopify gives you all the data of how many people see your website a day, etc.
Instagram polls.
They see, like, if I do a drop, for example, Shopify will show me how many people are on my website when the item drops.
And you decide which style will be the hot sale.
Yeah, so whatever style sells out first, then I know that style's most popular. It also gives you all the data of what style's most popular, what product you have the most sales in.
How do you plan to restock a hot sale?
Yes, it's hard.
I mean, when to start to restock, when to stop?
No, I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you just according to experience.
Yeah. I need to get better at knowing when to restock.
Another sensitive question, maybe for me, let's say, because literally a fashion brand, they will consider different manufacturer. So what is the most important thing you consider to choose a new manufacturer?
Interesting. Quality. Number one.
Everyone says good quality.
It's true. Whether or not because there's a lot of manufacturers. So when you're considering a new manufacturer, make sure the quality is good, make sure prices are good, and
Hey, you know what? May and I always talking about, wow, she's really good at business. She's a price killer, you know? How do you get a cheaper price with ApparelWin? Share your experience.
Use them for weeks.
Yeah. How do you decide whether the price is good for you or not? How do you get a cheaper price?
Oh, giving away my secrets now. I don't know if I can do that.
It's okay. But by our side, we always try to give a better price.
Yes, I know. You just feel it. I don't know. Feel it in your bones.
Okay.
That's a very Australian thing to say.
It's okay. Just we just open table. And then since you come to China, everyone want to know.
Okay.
So share your experience to come to fabric markets and then get the fabric to finish the sample in ApparelWin.
Yeah,
what's the experience?
You literally go to the market, find the fabric that you love, and then they do all the magic.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. It's really amazing.
How do you feel the sample today?
Gorgeous. I love them.
Next time you come to China, what other things you want to explore?
Yes, interesting. More food. There's so many places to eat, so I need to eat more. And like, there's one place downstairs that I really want to go to. It's a noodle place. There's just so much to see, so much to do. You could spend like months and months and months here. Honestly, I love it. And yes, I want to eat. I want to shop around. I want to find more fabrics.
Yeah.
I want to hang out with my friends at ApparelWin.
It's okay. Even bad things about ApparelWin, you can say, you know, we just try to improve. I mean, it is a trade-off. If you don't know where you are gonna improve, it will always be there. That's why we try to do more interview to see whether we can help more people to grow up. I really think your experience can help other people. As I say, at least you know what you want. That is very important. A lot of people don't know what they want. That's the other thing. So far, you do the influencer marketing. What's your next plan to
expand? Want more employees. I currently have 2, and I want more. So that's my next step, is to hire more people. Maybe paid ads. I'd experiment.
You also talk about the accessory for your brand.
Yes, I'm doing hair clips next season. I'm doing hair clips and a nice handbag that my hair clips come in. It's gorgeous. Love it. A hair claw clip, a hair pin, and a little button. Yeah. Which is really fun. And I really want to do handbags soon, maybe. Handbags. Oh, can you do that for me?
We are not professional at handbag.
I know, but something simple.
We know someone can do. The simple one, that one we're available to do that.
Easy.
Well, this is the interview today. Really welcome to China. Really welcome to visit ApparelWin. We will do our best. So that's why we try to push the sample finish earlier. Enjoy your day in China.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.